This is Orbio, a game of flips, strikes, and chain reactions. It's quick to learn, wild to play, and ridiculously fun to watch. In Orbio, movement is everything. You don't place pieces. You tip, rotate, and strike them into action.
Every piece is a soldier. Position them right, and your defense holds strong. This is where formations matter, where every rotation is a step towards victory.
One small move can knock out an opponent or set off a domino effect. It's a mix of strategy, chaos, and mirthless competition. Everything you need to create game night standoffs, right here in this box. Play it head-to-head or gather an arena. Orbio works with 2 to 6 players.
Just when you think it's over, it is not. One player sets off a massive chain reaction, and you stop it with a reverse card. Boom! Revenge delivered. You're stuck, surrounded, no move to strike, so you drop a swap card. Bam! Now you're in the perfect spot to knock them out. Your goal, be the last one standing. The action cards shake up everything. Here's how they work. Earn a card when you stick your colored piece into the hole either in the middle of the board or boldly landing in the opposite end of your opponent's home base. Each card gives you a cunning advantage, whether it's blocking an opponent's move, freezing a player for a round, or sending someone back to home base. And yes, you can even revive one of your own pieces. Just be ready, it might topple over in a way you don't expect. Every round is different and only one player will be left standing. This is Orbio. Hi, I'm Faye, a high school junior from Texas and the creator of Orbio. Freeze! Whew, excuse that. This idea started in a place I never expected, my first chemistry class. We were playing with molecules and I couldn't stop fidgeting with the model kits. The way the pieces snapped, twisted, and rotated all clicked with me. It wasn't just science, it was tactile, engaging, and weirdly addictive. Later, while working on a molecular model for an assignment, something sparked. I wasn't just interested in the what, I was hooked on the feel. Then I thought, what if this satisfying movement became a game? Now that led me down a rabbit hole of sketches, calculations, and prototypes, all while chasing the perfect balance of logic, strategy, and hands-on play. After countless rounds of testing, Orbio was born. A strategic game that's satisfying to move, turn, and connect. And with all the twists, thanks to the action cards, it makes it full of plot twists. Orbio is built for thinkers and anyone who loves games that feel just right in their hands. This has been a great experience, from 3D printing to CNC cutting my own prototypes to finalizing the rulebook, and the best part, watching people's reactions. We got friends leaning and grinning as they blocked each other's moves, siblings demanding rematches, and adults giving each other the nastiest looks. There's nothing like seeing someone's eyes light up when they finally pull off the perfect combo. Now, I'm ready to share Orbio with you. I love for you to play it, share it, flip the pieces, shuffle the card, laugh when your plan backfires, and celebrate when you land that strike. Orbio is more than just a game. It's a moment of connection with others and with your own curiosity. Your support means everything, and I hope you will join the Orbio family and help me bring this game to life. Thank you so much. The Orbio fidget top isn't just a game piece. It spins on the table, keeps your hands busy, and, if you're patient enough, can balance on its head. It's built to feel good and to play in more ways than one. It's a fidget. It's a challenge. Balancing it isn't easy. It takes patience, a steady hand, and just the right touch. Every attempt feels tense, and when it finally stands, the moment feels amazing. It's as fun to watch as it is to try. On the board, in your hand, or standing on its head, the Orbio fidget top is ready for the challenge. Back the Orbio fidget top in addition to the Orbio game.
Hey, it's only one. Oh.